Are any fat-rich foods ketogenic? So this question's a little bit confusing because of the terminology. To call any individual food ketogenic is a little bit misleading, except in very specific circumstances. And when I say ketogenic, I'm kind of interpreting that very literally to mean that it causes ketone generation or ketone production. And there's really only a very small amount of foods that we know actually do that, specifically in and of themselves. And that would be like medium chain triglycerides, so MCT oil, for example. Because of its unique structure, it actually goes to the liver, and a portion of it is used to make ketones regardless of dietary carbohydrate intake. So that's very abnormal, but those medium chain triglycerides are in fact ketogenic by their very nature. Now, other high-fat foods contribute to ketogenesis, but it all has to be within this context of reduced glucose and insulin. So when you have glucose and insulin reduced because of dietary carbohydrate restriction or fasting, for example, or sometimes you have extreme exercise, things like that can cause these effects as well, then the fats that you eat in your diet are preferentially shunted towards use for ketogenesis as well.